Hi, I'm Jim Mack, sometimes called Road Travel Foodie. I've been involved in RVs for well over 20 years. Today we're going to show you how to hitch up your fifth wheel. Hitching the truck to the fifth wheel requires a little practice and the aid of maybe a helper or rear view camera. Using the front trailer jacks, raise or lower the trailer to at or slightly below hitch height. Back the truck slowly until the kingpin on the trailer pin box slides into the horseshoe-shaped coupling. Visually verify that the hitch pin is fastened securely by the hitch jaws. Then lock the hitch handle with a pin or padlock. Attach the emergency breakaway cable to your truck bed. Plug in the power cord from the tow vehicle to the trailer and raise the trailer jacks out of the way.